that will experience flash flooding include Turbeville, Tom, Yuma, Rice Settlement, Trail Creek, Old Salem, Double Pocket, Impact report. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.